Hello and welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian. Today we're going to be looking at a 2009 Toyota Matrix. This is a 5-passenger 4-door in gray, and under the hood you'll find a 1.8 liter 4-cylinder driving on 16-inch wheels. Helping us inside is our key fob here with our lock and unlock button. Press the the unlock button once for the driver's side. We're going to take a look in the front first. On the bottom of the door we do have some storage space, and above it you have your power windows and locks. Next to the door you'll find your power mirrors. This Matrix is equipped with all-weather mats and light gray cloth seating, and on the bottom you'll find your manual seating adjustment handles. Now let's hop inside. Let's start it up. Before we move on to all the features, let's just quickly show you that this Matrix does have 146,135 kilometers on it. Moving to the right is your radio. Here it's nothing complicated. Of course, you got your volume options, AM and FM options. Of course, you also have a choice between disc and an auxiliary input, which is nice. Underneath, you have your climate control settings. Again, simplicity. You got these nice, sturdy turning dials. Underneath you'll find your shifter. If we move down here, you do have some nice storage, and this is where you'll find that auxiliary. Here you have your real handbrake. It's not electronic. You got some nice storage space here. Let's open that center console. Mini, but it does the job. And lastly is the glove box, of course. Huge. We got a shelf up top as well, but now why don't we just close that right up. Before we open up the cargo, we're just going to take a quick look in the back. On the bottom you have some storage space just like the driver's side. Continuing with the light gray cloth seating. Behind the front driver's seat you do have this nice little pocket for some extra storage. And lastly, these seats do fold down. All you got to do is pull that up, and that'll give you access to your cargo. To open up, all we got to do is press this button right underneath here. Opens up nice and easy. Of course, we have the folding seats, like I mentioned, that fold down, and that'll give you some extra bit of cargo space. On the right and left, it does tuck in a bit. If we look under here, you have your tools and your spare tire to change that in case that ever goes out on you. So to close up, all we got to do, we've got this handle up here, just give it a gentle push. Taking a last look at our 2009 Toyota Matrix. Once again, some of those great interior features include your auxiliary input, power adjustable heated mirrors, and all-weather mats for those messy Alberta seasons. There's still a whole lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here, Toyota Northwest, Edmonton, on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this walk-around video. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.